Olive oil is widely recognized for its health benefit. It boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and may even help protect against certain chronic diseases. While it's commonly used as a cooking and dipping oil, some people believe that drinking it will also allow you to reap its maximum benefits. I am one of those people because drinking like a tablespoon of olive oil, extra virgin, especially cold pressed, every day helps me lose weight. It helps me not to binge eat, as in jump from one snack, one food to the other. Alright, so guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about olive oil. Okay, welcome back. So, do you know that olive oil, drinking olive oil, especially the extra virgin olive oil, can help you lose weight and lower your risk of obesity? Do you know that? Here are the reasons why. It makes you feel fuller for longer, which means that you eat less and consume less calories throughout the day. This is due to the satiating properties of the monosaturated fat. That means the healthy fat. It actually tells your body to shut down the hunger and craving centers in your brain and stops you wanting to snack all day long. Sounds good? A serving of extra virgin oil boosts your metabolism, which means that you'll burn more calories even while you're resting. Consuming a pure form of healthy fat and fewer carbs throughout the day will train your body to use fat for fuel instead of glucose. Continue this way and you'll become a fat burning machine. Adding more EVO means extra virgin olive oil, to your diet is especially effective when combined with the Mediterranean style diet, which is a delicious way of eating that is rich in vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains. Moderate in dairy and low in meat. It emphasizes the importance of sitting down to eat and enjoying meals with family and friends. In today's world, there's a huge boost for mental and emotional health too. Once again, the Mediterranean diet, which is rich in extra virgin olive oil, even the keto diet, has been voted the best overall eating plan for the third consecutive year, if I may say. It has shown to be the easiest diet to stick to, as well as having proven benefits for heart health and lowering the risk of certain diseases, including diabetes. It is easy to incorporate more extra virgin olive oil into your diet. You can follow, like the keto or the Mediterranean example and take a shot of extra virgin olive oil first thing in the morning. It's a way of providing the body with pure, clean nourishment before even sitting down to a plate full of food. It will also help to detox your liver, and a healthy liver is important for maintaining a healthy weight. You can simply drizzle the olive oil on top of salads, veggies, soups, pastas, chicken, or fish. You can check out, other of my video. I have some Mediterranean dishes and some keto diets, for more recipes on this. So if you've got weight loss on your mind, on your agenda, remember to add some extra virgin olive oil to your diet every day in order for your body to function optimally. It provides energy. It helps to burn fat and allows for absorption of vitamins A, D, E, and K. It is one of nature's best superfood. I cannot stress more than that. One way to use olive oil to lose weight is to combine it with lemon, one of the most powerful remedies that exist to purify and eliminate toxins from your body. Lemon contains, in addition to vitamin C, hesperidin, a flavor that contributes to improve the function of lymphatic drainage and with it, the retention of liquids. Take an olive oil juice with half a lemon at breakfast and you will see how your figure is improving little by little. Olive oil with ginger. Ginger is a root that, when ingested, produces a thermogenic effect in the body. Ginger is able to activate your nervous system and, as a consequence, activates all processes that produce energy, which also supplies fat. This is ginger. It's a natural fat burner. Olive oil with salt and cucumber. Cucumber contains a lot of fiber that helps eliminate toxins from the body. Add a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of olive oil to a couple of cucumbers and you will get a great starter that will help you lose weight. Do you think there is a better way to use olive oil to lose weight? Let me know. Cucumbers are delicious and very refreshing. Next up is olive oil with cayenne pepper. Although it may seem like, or rather, it may not seem like cayenne pepper is a digestive stimulant, the spice stimulates the production of juices and gastric enzymes that digest the food we eat, eliminating the toxins that are generated in our body. It also speeds up metabolism and fat burning. How does that sound to you? A trick to take cayenne pepper is to put a couple of them in a glass bottle with olive oil to flavor your dishes. You will see how cayenne pepper serves you along with olive oil to lose weight. Remember that it is important to know how to preserve olive oil. Olive oil in your smoothies to detoxify and reduce weight. Detoxifying green shakes to reduce weight have become fashionable. And with good reason, they are a time bomb against the body's fat and toxins, full of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other nutrients that help keep your weight at bay. But you can enhance its power much more, and especially the flavor of these shakes, adding a little olive oil, so you will have another way to use olive oil to lose weight. Are you having fun so far? You see all the uses olive oil has for you. Next up is olive oil with balsamic vinegar. There cannot be a better mix than olive oil with balsamic vinegar. Both products perfectly combine their exquisite flavors. With them, you will create a culinary elixir that will maximize the flavor of your dishes. But in addition to all this, the balsamic vinegar served together with the olive oil to lose weight. Did you know? This type of vinegar has very few calories, and among its many nutrients, potassium. Potassium stands out, a diuretic mineral that eliminates toxins from the body. Amazing. So make sure you always use this in your diet. Now, 1 tablespoon of olive oil is not so much to lose weight in every of your meal. It is not so much. Cooking with olive oil maximizes the flavors of food that we know, whether raw or cooked. The best ally you can have in the kitchen is your olive oil, right? So right now, run to the store and buy yourself some cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. What do you think of these different ways of using olive oil to lose weight? Delicious and easy to incorporate into your day-to-day, right? But these 7 ways are not the only ones that exist. You can use olive oil in many other culinary remedies and enhance its slimming properties. Remember these tips. If you want to lose a few extra kilos or pounds, do not consume more than 1 tablespoon of oil in each meal. The amount of calories you should consume per day are between 2,000 and 2,500 calories. It is important that you drink more than 2 liters of water. Do not eat pre-cooked foods. Try to reduce the consumption of sugar to the maximum. Decrease the amount of salt in your meals as much as you can. Use extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, to dress your salad. It's beneficial. So now one might say, what are the main benefits of olive oil to lose weight? Listen, there are many properties of olive oil for weight loss, and all of them are scientifically proven. Olive oil helps you speed up your metabolism and eliminate unhealthy fats. In addition, its oleic acid reduces the appetite sensation. Remember, for those of us that like binge eating, and therefore the need to eat in quantity is reduced. It also favors intestinal transit, being a good ally against constipation. It has been benefiting my mom and my second son because they've been having constipation, and olive oil has so far helped. Also, other benefits that help in a thinning process are having a strong immune system and the secretion of serotonin, which is the hormone of happiness and sleep, which also influences the digestive process. Watch my video where I talked about losing weight while sleeping. You will understand what I'm trying to say here. Olive oil is the best ally you can have. If you want to shed those pounds, go ahead. All experts in health and nutrition agrees to this, at least something they all agree together. And in addition to providing numerous benefits for your health, or rather for our health, it helps of us maintain ideal weight. All right, so if you combine it with any of these 7 ways which I have mentioned before, it will greatly enhance the use of olive oil to lose weight for you. All right, so go to your store right now, or Amazon, wherever you are. Just jump online and begin to order that cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, EVOO as it is known. Make sure you buy the best quality, okay? And most importantly, make sure you always have a bottle of olive oil at hand, okay? At home, wherever you are, buy it. It is convenient, it is safe. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've learned something today. Please leave your comments, the suggestion. It is accepted. Leave your comments below, okay? And please, if you enjoy what I'm doing, give it a massive thumbs up, like this video, and kindly share this video with your friends in your world. I appreciate you all. Thank you once again for coming. God bless each and every one of you. Wherever you are, enjoy the spring season. Stay safe, and most importantly, stay blessed. Bye.